We're having our annual Discipline Academy for administrators. We offer professional development sessions related to everything that is needed to carry out discipline for students within the school in protection of student rights. So we have sessions on discipline implementation, adverse childhood experiences, social emotional learning, and how it relates to the TIM model, and sessions for how to work with students who might be in a homeless situation, resources that are available, and enrollment and registration information for administrators.
Trauma is such a big part of what our kids go through these days, and I recognize that trauma is there, but I'm really trying to get a better understanding of the depth of that trauma and how the depth of that trauma really affects the kids, and for me to be more responsive to that and to lead from a different standpoint.
Today we also had as our keynote speaker the National Teacher of the Year, Rodney Robinson. So we included students and teachers in the audience to hear about culturally relevant teaching and learning.
Well, the thing is, we need to start helping kids with no judgment. We need to look at kids, meet them where they are, and just work on building them up to where we want them to be.
Workshops like this are needed, and especially at this time, the superintendent has made it clear that we're going to be more responsive to the needs of our students, especially our black males.
I just hope they lead with the understanding that there is no such thing as a lost cause when it comes to children. All children just need love. Even if they don't show it, they just love. Just keep loving them, and eventually it will take hold.